What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our last video I have explained you in detail how the row number function works. Basically currently we are looking into the Hive's analytical function. So as I just mentioned in my last video, I have explained how the row number function will work, and in this particular video we are going to visit the detailed execution or the how the rank analytical function works. Okay, so let me just tell you the basic difference between the row number function and rank function. Okay, so let's go to the output that is been given by the row number function. So if you remember our last video tutorial where I have explained you the row number query. So this is what the output that is being given by the row number function. Okay, so what it has done is it has assigned a unique value to each and every row. Okay, now when we say a rank Hive's analytical function, the basic difference between the row number function and the rank function is based on the partitioning condition or the over condition that we give in our Hive query. So when we say over condition, it has two sub conditions or sub attributes, we can say. We need to mention that on which particular column we want to partition the data or we want to divide the data, and basically whatever values we want to see. Like in our example, we have divided or partitioned our data based on the partition department column, and the values that we wanted to see are for the salary. Now, when we say a rank analytical function, what it does is it shows or it assigns the number, this unique number that we are seeing here, based on the rank of this particular salary column. Okay, now for example, how rank function will work on the same data set is basically for this particular row where the ID is 1008 and the department number is account, for the highest salary it will assign the a unique number or the rank as 1. For the second value or the second highest salary, it will assign the rank is equal to 3. But when it comes to the next set of rows, the salary amount of salary is equivalent. So basically the row number has given a different unique identifier or the different unique number to both of these rows. But the way rank function works is little bit different in this case. What rank will do is if the amount of salaries for these two records is same, then it will assign a same number to this particular thing. So basically this is how the rank function works. So if you just see, the general meaning of rank is nothing but it is just a sequential way or sequential order of something based on some kind of condition. Now here the condition was based on the salary with the order of salary amount in a descending way. So 28,000 is my first rank, 20,000 is my second rank, and this 15,000 with two records, that is nothing but my third rank. Okay, so for this particular row, the row with 1006 and the row with 1004, it will assign the rank number is equal to 3. Now, when it comes to the next record, which is nothing but 10 ID is equal to 1009, in that particular case, what rank function will do is instead of giving rank number is equal to 4 here, it will skip that particular number and it will assign the next number to the next row. So in this particular example, if we have seen that how rank function will assign the number, it will assign for this particular 1008 data, it will assign the first rank. For 1005, it will assign the second rank. For 1006 and 1004, it will assign the 3 rank to both of these data rows. And for 1009, it will skip the next rank, which was actually number 4, and it will assign number is equal to 5. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, So let's see by writing the query. Okay, so let me just clear a terminal for you, and let's just describe this EMP table. Okay, so in this case, what I wanted to have is, I wanted to have select ID, comma name, comma let's say department, comma let's say I don't want a designation, I wanted to have salary, and as we have in the last query, we have seen the row number. Here we will write rank. Okay, this is nothing but our the newer column where the numbers will get displayed. Again, we need to write over here, over, and the similar condition that we need to pass, that partition by department. So this is our department, and order by salary in a descending way. Okay, and we need to specify name to this particular column. Let's say I'll give it as RNK, rank. Okay, and from table name. So give me ID, name, department, and salary. But while displaying this particular salary, do one thing, that partition the employee table or EMP table based on the departments, and order the salary on the descending way or with the descending way. So let's see the result of this particular query. So it has started this MapReduce job. Let's wait till the MapReduce job gets completed. So it will hear everything. It will display here that the what is the progress of this particular job, how many partitions, how many mappers, what is the progress of a reducer, how much time it will take, and rest of the details. Okay, cool. So we got the result. Now, if you see this particular thing. So for the record with ID and the highest salary from the account department, it has given the first rank. For the next record, it has given the second rank. But as soon as it gets the salary amount which is equivalent, then it has given or assigned the equal rank to these two records. Okay, so for the salary is equal to 15,000, and here also the salary is 15,000, and if you see the rank, it is 3. Now after 3, which is the rank it should give? It should give the fourth rank. But based on the functionality of rank function, it will skip that particular number and it will assign the next number to the next row. Okay, and the similar work you can see, or the similar way of assigning the rank to the next department as well, which is nothing but the sales department. So in the sales department, the highest salary is 30,000, for which the rank is 1, where now the salary with 25,000, which is nothing but these 3 rows. So we have the, in the sales department, we have the salaries which is equal to 25,000 for these 3 rows. So it has assigned the same rank, second, second, second. So for these 3 rows, the rank is second, and it has skipped the 2 numbers because there are multiple rows here. So 3 and 4 it has skipped and directly assigned the 5 rank to the next row, which is nothing but for the ID 1010. So this is how your rank function will work, and it has really a different perspective than your earlier row number function, analytical function. Okay, so this is how the functionality of rank function is. Okay, all right. Now, one thing that you have seen here is the way it has assigned this particular number. Okay. Now, let's say we don't want our Hive engine to skip this particular number. Okay. We wanted to assign fourth rank to this particular row, which is with ID 1009. So in this particular case, there is one more analytical function that is Hive supports, or that is exist in Hive, which is nothing but dense rank. So the major functionality or the only functionality difference in between rank function and dense rank function is it does not skips the number. Here it has skipped 4 and then assigned 5, and here it has skipped 3 and 4 and directly assigned number 5. So in the dense rank function it won't do that. Okay, so let's try to run the dense rank function as well. So I'll select the similar column and I'll just write, instead of rank we'll say dense rank. Okay, and I'll keep rest of the conditions that are pretty much similar. I'll just write here, instead of rank I'll just write DNS underscore rank, which is nothing but dense rank, and from EMB table. Let's try to run this particular query and try to see what output it gives. Okay, so ideally, based on the theory part that I just explained, it should not skip the 4 number for the account department and 3 and 4 number to the sales department. Let's see. So the reduce part is in progress for this particular map reduce. It's completed, and see the result. Now here what it did, instead of skipping 4, it has assigned this 4 number here, and instead of skipping the 3 and 4 number here, it has assigned the third rank to the next row. So this is only the difference between the dense rank and rank analytical function. Okay, so I hope you understood these Hive's analytical function. If you have any doubts, do let me know. I'll answer them as early as possible. So thanks for watching this particular video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.